Here's how to avoid falling victim to a contractor scam after a storm. I'm the CyberGuy, and these are the kind of storm chasers you don't want to hear from after your home gets hit by a natural disaster of any kind. The name has been appointed to contractors who travel to different locations after a storm has hit the area hard, offering their services. Well, sadly, a lot of them are actually scammers, and they may not have the licensing required to work in your neighborhood, or they may not even provide services at all. Here are my tips to avoid falling for these storm chaser scams. Number one, use technology to research the contractor you're considering hiring. Check their online presence, read reviews, and look for any negative feedback or complaints. This can give you an idea of their reputation and help you make an informed decision. Also, do a thorough check of Google and Yelp reviews. It's also a good sign if the contractor is accredited by the Better Business Bureau. Next, check to see if the company has a website and see if they're updating their social media with photos of completed projects. Both can be a sign that they are operating a legitimate business, especially if they're engaging with customers on social media. Also, most importantly, be sure to do a background check on the contractor. There are several online services that can help you verify their credentials and licenses and ensure that they have no criminal history. Finally, when you're paying a contractor, do not ever sign over your insurance check. Instead, get an invoice and then pay with a credit card if possible, which then will usually have some protection coverage in case something goes awry. For more tips on how to avoid any scams, head to cyberguy.com and make sure you sign up for my free newsletter.